Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making cinnamon rolls. I love cinnamon rolls. They are my favorite breakfast pastry. Nothing beats fresh out of the oven cinnamon rolls. So sweet, so moist, and topped with an amazing cream cheese filling, this recipe will become your favorite for years to come. So let's get started making these cinnamon rolls. Let's get into the ingredients. 2 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup dark brown sugar, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 cup plain yogurt, 5 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, 8 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup milk, 3 tablespoons sugar. Firstly, add sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, baking soda, baking powder. Whisk together all the dry ingredients, set it aside. Next, add all the dry ingredients mixture into a large bowl. Add yogurt, milk, 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Using a spatula, mix it until it becomes a dough texture. Once it's at that stage, use your hands to knead the dough into a ball. Set it aside to rest for 20 minutes. Now it's time to work on the cinnamon roll filling. Add cinnamon, 4 tablespoons melted butter to the dark brown sugar. Mix in thoroughly. The dough has rested, time to roll it out. Spreading out some all-purpose flour to make sure the dough doesn't stick to the countertop or the rolling pin. Lightly start to roll out the dough. Keeping it in a square shape without rolling it out too thin. Next, spread the cinnamon roll filling out in an even layer. Carefully start rolling up the dough. Cut the dough into 8 equal parts. Look at that awesome cinnamon swirl. Grease the baking pan. Place the little cinnamon rolls in the pan, making sure they all have equal space to bake. Bake at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes. Next, it's time to work on the wonderful cream cheese frosting. Place the cream cheese into a bowl. Mix up the cream cheese to get any clumps out so it's a smooth texture. Add powdered sugar, vanilla extract. Mix in thoroughly. Open up a sandwich bag. Place it in the cup. Pour in the cream cheese frosting. Press out the air. Look at these fantastic cinnamon rolls. Cut the tip of the sandwich bag, put on the cream cheese frosting. Lightly spread the frosting on each of the cinnamon rolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. This quick and easy cinnamon roll recipe will have you making these for many occasions. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below, or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And of course, until next time, I will see you guys on my next video.